Find the subduplicate ratio of 225 is to 841. Subduplicate means the square root. 225 square root is 15. 841 square root is, you Durmarglu not practicing. So answer is 15 is to 29. Okay. Next one. Find the subtriplicate ratio of 27x cube is to 8y cube. Subtriplicate means cube root. 27 cube root means 3. X cube root means x. 8 cube root is 2. Y cube 2 cube root is y. So answer is 3x is to 2y. So which option is answer? First option. Find the subtriplicate ratio of 125 is to 64. Subtriplicate means cube root. 125 cube root means 5. 64 cube root means 4. So answer is 5 is to 4. Fourth option is the answer. Find the subtriplicate ratio of 216 is to 343. Subtriplicate means cube root. 216 means it will become 6. 343 means it will become 7. So answer is 6 is to 7. So which option is the answer? Second option. Find the inverse ratio of 7 is to 11. So inverse ratio, if you already memorized the concept, directly you can say 11 is to 7. Already in the basics I have explained you. Else you have to go with 1 by 7 is to 1 by 11. Then you have to take the LCM of 7 and 11, it is 77. Multiply both with 77. So 11 ones, 11 sevens, 7 ones, 7 11s. So finally answer is 11 is to 7. Anything you can do. Because both are not lengthy, both are short only. Find the inverse ratio of 9 is to 13. If you have only 2 terms, just you can directly reverse, right? It is 13 is to 9. Okay. Find the inverse ratio of 3 is to 5 is to 6. If you have 3 terms, what you have to do is 1 by 3 is to 1 by 5 is to 1 by 6. Means if you have not memorized anything, directly you can go with this. 3, 5, 6, the LCM is 30. Multiply each term with 30. Can I multiply each term with 30? The value alters or will not alter? Will not alter. Okay. Happily divide. 3 ones, 3 tens. 5 ones, 5 sixes. 6 ones, 6 fives. So 10 is to 6 is to 5. So which option is the answer? First option. Or else if you want the inverse ratio, first one if you want means multiply these two, 30. Second one if you want means multiply these two, 18. Third ones if you want means multiply these two, it is 15. Now you can cancel with 3, right? 3 tens, 3 sixes, 3 fives. Okay, anything you can follow. So answer is 10 is to 6 is to 5. Got it? Let's see the next beautiful one. Inverse ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay. Inverse ratio means what will you do? First one means multiply these two. 15. Okay. Next one multiply these two. It is 10. Next you have to go with multiply these two. It is 6. So answer is 15 is to 10 is to 6. Which option is the answer? Second option. So the next beautiful one. Two numbers are in the ratio 4 is to 5. If each number is increased by 8, the ratio becomes 8 is to 9. The numbers are. If you want to solve it, one point you can observe. Two numbers are in the ratio 4 is to 5. Already I have explained you the procedures for it. Now what I will do is, sir, why don't I go with the options I am asking you? Sir, if I take these two, 4 fours, 4 fives. Sir, two numbers are in the ratio 4 is to 5, satisfied, sir. 2 fours, 2 fives, satisfied, sir. 3 fours, 3 fives, satisfied, sir. Sir, this is not satisfied because second number should be largest one. Here it is not. Okay. So one option has been 9 multiple, right? After increasing it should be 8 is to 9, right? Okay. This is not 9 multiple, happy. But this is 9 multiple means it can be. Okay. If it is also increased by 8, it will become 16. If I cancel with the 2, it is 8 is to 10, satisfied, sir, both the conditions. So answer is second option. Suppose if he is asking for find the first number or find the least number, etc., option verification is a bit difficult. That is the reason we have to go with the conventional procedures, the other procedures. One procedure I have informed you, I have explained you is, two numbers are in the ratio 4 is to 5 means first number is 4x, second number is 5x. Each one is increased by 8 means 4x plus 8 and second number is 5x plus 8. Now this ratio is specified as 8 is to 9. If you cross multiply, you will get the value of x. 9 4s are 36x, 5 8s are 40x. Move the 36x this side, it will be 4x. 9 8s are 72 on the left side, 8 8s are 64 on the right side. Move the 64 on the left side, it will be 64 and 72 means 8. 4 1s, 4 2s. X value is 2. Means 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. So answer is 8 is to 10. Already we have seen this procedure. The other procedure I have explained you is go with the line. What do we have to do, Ajay? Line draw cheyali, not line ayali. Okay, right. Two numbers are in the ratio 4 is to 5. Each number is increased by 8. Increased means right side. Then the ratio becomes 8 is to 9. So the beauty you have to observe is, okay, 4 parts and 5 parts. Difference is 1 part. 8 and 9 also the difference is 1 part. No need to go with the cross multiplication. So 4 parts becomes 8 parts, means 4 parts increased. For that 8 is required, increased 4 ones, 4 twos. 1 part is 2, 4 parts is 8 and 5 parts is 10. So answer is 8 is to 10. When compared to even option verification, this is the best. Okay. Right, let's go for the next beautiful one. Since each one is added by 7, we can happily go with the line. Okay. Two numbers are in the ratio 1 is to 2. These are the numbers. Each one is increased by 7. Then the ratio became 3 is to 5. First we have to go with the differences. The difference is 2 here, the difference is 1 here. Go with the cross multiplication. So it will be 2 is to 4. It will be 3 is to 5 because you are multiplying with 1. Immediately strike it out. Okay. So 2 parts became 3 parts means the increment is 1 part. Okay. So that is equal to 7. The numbers are not 1 is to 2, 2 is to 4. So 2 sevens are 14, 4 sevens are 28. So the answer is 14 and 28 are the numbers, third option. Here I am doing all these things actually. Suppose if it was given to me in the examination hall, each one is added by 7 means both are increased by same number, I can go with line procedure. That is what in my brain is. Okay, 1 is to 2, 3 is to 5, 2, 1. So if I multiply with 2, it is enough. 2 becomes 3, 1 part, 7, 2 parts, 14, 28. Yes or no? How much you can save the time? Am I right or wrong? Try to learn like that. I sat there and tried like this. Instantly I got the answers. You're doing on paper and pen, still giving the wrong answers, consuming lot of time and saying that, sir, we are on the way. I am also in the same way, right? Okay, me too came in the same way, right? So do it fast, increase the speed, okay? Two numbers are in the ratio 7 is to 9. If 2 be subtracted from each, they are in the ratio 3 is to 4. 2 subtracted from both, we can go with line procedure. Find the difference of the two numbers. Sir, difference is 2, difference is 1. No, double it. 6 is to 8. One part is subtracted, so one part is 2. 2 parts is the difference. 2 into 2 is 4. So answer is first option. Am I right or wrong? I have explained you the concept also now. But I have consumed less than 1 minute. I said this is the only model available in ages. Got it? So the next beautiful one. Two numbers are in the ratio 3 is to 5. If 9 is subtracted from both, the ratio becomes 12 is to 23. The numbers are. Sir, 9 is subtracted from both, sir. Happily I can use line procedure. Okay. Difference is 2 here. Difference is 11 here. So cross multiply. 11 3s are 33, 11 5s are 55. With 2 I have to multiply. It will be 24, it will be 46. Okay. So 33 parts, 24 parts. How many parts reduced? 9 parts. For that, how many years are required? 9 is required. 9 parts is 9. 1 part is 1. You want the numbers 33, 55. There ends the game. Now tell me here, after reading the question, even 20 seconds or 30 seconds time is sufficient. Beyond 30 seconds means it's extra. Okay. Let's go for the next beautiful one. Find the compound ratio of 2 is to 3, 4 is to 1 and 1 is to 2. What I said about compound ratio? Multiply all the first terms, multiply all the second terms. All the first terms means 2, 4, 1. So it is 8. All the second terms means 3, 1, 2. It is 6. Okay. Cancel with 2, it will be 4 is to 3. Okay. So answers both are correct. So the fourth option need to be replaced with both 2 and 3 is the answer. Right. So the next beautiful one. Yeah, this is another model that is left out in what we say proportions concept. With this, the proportions also all models will be completed. Find the least value of k that must be added to each of 6, 13, 30 and 58 so that the results are in proportion. He is asking some least number that should be added to not one number, to each number. Suppose that least number I am assuming to be x, that I am adding to all the numbers, means first number will be 6 plus x, second number will be 13 plus x, next number will be 30 plus x, and the last number will be 58 plus x. Okay, what he said is, after adding that smallest number or x or k whatever, the results are in proportion. The results are in proportion. So these are in proportion. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4 means proportion or continued proportion? Proportion. A by B is equals to C by D. A by B means 6 plus x by B means 13 plus x is equals to C by D, 30 plus x by 58 plus x. Right. Now we want the value of x. Find the least value of k. Okay, that means instead of k I have written x, right? Okay. If I cross multiply, x into x is x square on the left side, x into x is x square on the right side, both will be cancelled. You won't get any larger numbers. But the problem is 58 into 6, 13 into 30, people will struggle, especially you are very much good at the calculations, right? That is the reason I will go with options. 2 and 3, which one you try? You try? Sir, 2 is smaller, sir. I will try with 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 13 plus 2 is 15. So it is 8 by 15 on the LHS. If on the RHS also if I get the same, yes it is correct. Okay. 30 plus 2 is 32. 58 plus 2 is chitty. So 4 8s, 4 15. Sir, it is same, sir. So happily x value 2 satisfied. So it is first option as the answer. Got it? This is the way that we have to work it out. In a mixture, yeah, this question is a beautiful one. Okay. You feel that it might be a question in mixtures also, because in the question starting only he specified it is a mixture, but it is a part of ratios. In a mixture of 45 liters, the ratio of milk and water is 2:1. How much water must be added to it so that the ratio of milk to water becomes 3:2? So initially he gave milk to water. How much it is? 2:1. You added some water. How much water must be added? This you are adding. So that the ratio becomes how much? 3:2. Here is a small problem, sir, I am noticing. What you are adding? Water. If you add water, the quantity of water may increase. Yes, I am accepting. But the quantity of milk should not either increase or decrease. Am I right or wrong? Suddenly, the quantity of milk is changing, sir. I won't accept. I will equate both. These two should be equal, right or wrong? 2 and 3 to equate, LCM is 6. 6 means this need to be multiplied with 3, this need to be multiplied with 2. Multiplied with 3 means both. Multiplied with 2 means also both. Then the ratio of milk to water becomes, initially 3 2s are 6:3. Okay, finally 2 3s are 6:2, 2 2s are 4. Now I am happy, sir. So how many parts were added, sir? Water? This is 1 liter or 1 part? Be careful, 1 part was added. He is asking how much water was added, right or wrong? Sir, if I want to know 1 part is how much, I have to know 10 parts is this much, 8 parts is this much, like that I have to know something, right? Sir, for that he gave that 45 liters is the initial mixture. Initial mixture means this is the initial, right? 6:3 means 6 plus 3 is how many parts? 9 parts is the total mixture, right or wrong? Milk is 6 parts, water is 3 parts, total is 9 parts. That is equal to he specified 45 liters. 9 ones, 9 fives. So 1 part is equal to 5 liters and he is adding only 1 part, sir. So there ends the game. How many liters of water should be added? 5 liters of water should be added. Okay. A mixture of 90 liters of milk and water contains milk and water in the ratio 7:3. How much water must be added? How much water must be added so that the ratio of milk to water reversed to 3:7? Initially 7:3. Finally 3:7. Which one you are adding? How much water must be added? So you are adding water, then milk should be constant. So then what should I do? I have to equate the milk. 7 and 3 means 21. To get 21, it should be tripled. It should be multiplied with 7. Okay, 3 7s are 21 is to 3 3s are 9. 7 3s are 21 is to 7 7s are 49. So this is milk to water ratio. So now the milk is same. So how much water was added? 40 or 40 liters or 40 parts? 40 parts is how much we want. We know that initially we have 90 liters. Initially means this is milk and this is water. 21 parts plus 9 parts, the mixture is 30 parts is equal to, he specified as 90 liters. Okay. Now 0, 0, 3 ones, 3 threes. So 1 part is 3 liters, 40 parts means 43s are 120 liters. So how many liters of water should be added? 120 liters, that is first option. Hope you understand. So if you observe, the questions that we have seen are diversified. In the variance we have seen diversified questions. In proportions we have seen diversified questions. In ratios also we have seen different questions. I don't say that this is the end. No topic has an end. Because these are competitive examinations, sir. Purely application oriented. How can we say that this is the end? Tomorrow some other may create some other application, right or wrong? That's why I am saying that this is the end for this. Got it?